All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model. It's beautiful blue with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, navigation system, backup camera, alloy wheels, heated seats, got rear heated seats as well. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let me check out your tire thread. It looks like a 530 seconds. 530 seconds around there. I hate using this one. It's not as good as my other one. Door looks good, rear door looks good, and quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Just under 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Of course, this is your Navi system. You got your backup camera. Pow, you got your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls, plus your heated seats. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. It does have a tire pressure light on, and there's your mileage of 42,807. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Everything looks good. Two keys, two fobs. Open up the little door here. The back door as well. What your rear passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, or rips. Does have rear AC vents and rear AC controls. Oops. Put them so you can see them. I don't know why the camera's not focusing on it. All right, and rear AC vents. Seat looks good. Third row seat looks good. All right, even has rear heated seats on the door here where your power window would be. Rear bumper looks good. Rear trunk space looks nice. These seats do stow and go, as it says. Does have a little button there that closes the rear hatch. Heavy scratch here. Boom. About 3 inches, I'd say. The rest of it looks pretty good. This quarter does have a dent here with some paint off, about 1 inch. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Check out your tire thread. Under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Automatic as well. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks fantabulous. And also, just to show you guys, it does have rear, well, if I can get there, rear heated seats back here. All right. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread here is under 730 seconds. Lights are working, fog lights are working, things are fabulous. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with forgot how many miles I said. Folks, if you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.